As you can see on the screen, price successfully crossed and closed above the 360 period simple moving averages on the daily time frame of the GBP CHF currency pair, which is simply telling us that the direction of the long-term trend for this particular currency pair is actually bearish at the moment. And the blue line of the ADX indicator has also crossed above the horizontal line which was placed at its 25 level mark, signaling to us that the bullish trend which we just identified on the daily time frame of this currency pair has got the potential to become a pretty strong trend. As soon as I identified the direction of the long-term trend for this currency pair using its daily time frame, I immediately cranked down to its 4-hour chart to confirm the validity of that long-term trend in line with the rules of our trend-following forex trading strategy. As you can see on the chart which is being displayed on the screen now, price also made a bullish crossover above the 360 period simple moving averages on the 4-hour chart of the GBP CHF currency pair, confirming the bullish long-term trend which we just identified on the currency pair's daily time frame moments ago. Therefore, in line with the trade setup identification rules of our trend-following forex trading strategy, I immediately switched to the 1-hour chart of the GBP CHF currency pair to look for long trade setups in the direction of the prevalent bullish trend on the pair's daily and 4-hour time frames. After cranking down to the 1-hour chart of the GBP CHF currency pair, I placed a buy stop pending order to get me into the market with a long trading position a couple of pips above the highest price of the candlestick, which led to the formation of the most recent up fractal which I found on the 1-hour time frame of the GBP CHF currency pair at that particular moment in time. But truth be told, my buy stop pending order was placed a couple of pips above the highest price of this particular candlestick because an up fractal was printed above it at that particular moment in time. However, that up fractal was not a confirmed up fractal at that time since I didn't wait for 2 candlesticks to close with a high price which wasn't as high as the highest price of the candlestick which had that up fractal printed above it. As a result of this, that up fractal ended up disappearing as soon as price moved above the highest price level of the candlestick which had the up fractal printed above it. And this is the reason why I tell you guys to always wait for 2 candles to close on the right hand side of a candlestick which an up or down fractal is printed on, because that will ensure that those fractals will not disappear when price moves beyond their highest or lowest price points. Okay, moving forward. My buy stop pending order on this currency pair got triggered when price decided to move past the highest price level of the 3rd candlestick in this swing highs formation, causing the up fractal which was printed above it when my buy stop pending order was placed to disappear. But before that happened, I actually placed a stop loss order for the buy stop pending order which I placed on this currency pair at the price level where the 60 period simple moving average which was applied to price's low was located at immediately after I identified the trade entry level for my buy stop pending order. As you can see on the screen, the stop loss order for my long trading position on this currency pair was placed about 85.5 pips away from the trade's entry level. Therefore, its profit target would need to be placed about 171 pips away from the trade's entry level, since the rules of our trend following forex trading strategy requires us to always aim for a profit target which is twice the number of pips which we're risking on each trade we take.
A few moments later.
A couple of hours have passed since I last gave you an update on the long trading position which I took on the GBP CHF currency pair. Now, even though price almost hit the stop loss which I set for this trading position, it actually ended up reversing and moving in favor of the trade. The long trading position which I took on this currency pair is currently sitting on a floating profit of about 130 pips at the moment. In fact, price is only 40 pips away from the trade's profit target, which was actually placed about 170 pips away from its entry level. All that's left for me to do at this point is to simply wait for price to either hit its profit target to take me out of the market with a profit which would be about 2% of my trading account's capital, or reverse against it to hit its stop loss which would take me out of the market with a loss of about 1%. That's pretty much all I've got to report about the long trading position which I took on the GBP CHF currency pair. My advice to you would be to set a goal of taking at least 100 trades using this forex trading strategy before trying to assess its trading performance. And to help you accomplish this task, I actually created a private Facebook group where newbies who are struggling and experienced forex traders who are making a killing with the forex trading strategy which I just showed you in this video can hang out and help each other to become consistently profitable forex traders. One of the reasons why I did this is because I know how much of a lonely business forex trading can be when you're trying to go at it all by yourself. Fortunately, you're not going to need to spend a fortune on low quality online courses or countless hours trying to figure out how to make money through forex trading when you join our vibrant community of forex traders over at FXMindTrix Academy.com/community. So what would you rather do? Are you going to commit to this forex trading strategy and take at least 100 trades with it and prove to yourself that it actually works? Or are you just going to dump it after you encounter a losing streak in search of the next best no-loss forex trading strategy, which you're probably not going to find anyways? I'd love to hear what you intend to do in our private forex trading community over on Facebook. So do yourself a favor and take that life-changing step towards becoming the consistently profitable forex trader which you've always wanted to become by heading over to FXMindTrix Academy.com/community or just clicking on the link in this video's description box below. I'm pretty sure you're not going to regret it. In the meantime, if you would like to learn how to make money online through forex trading, working less than 4 hours a week from anywhere in the world, head on over to FXMindTrixAcademy.com/blueprint or click on the link in this video's description box below to get instant access to the PDF guide and exclusive video training which is going to show you exactly how to do that right away. And now it's over to you. Since you've now learned how to find entry and exit points using our powerful, low-risk, high-probability forex trading strategy, let me know which one of these currency pairs you're going to take your 100 trades on using our forex trading strategy in the comment section. Are you going to take your first 100 trades on the AUD-USD currency pair or the GBP-USD currency pair? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section of this video below. But if you'd like to learn exactly how to find low-risk, high-probability forex trade setups using the trend-following forex trading strategy which you just saw me use to trade the live foreign exchange markets in this video, click on the video which is being linked on the screen now. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload more actionable live forex trading tutorials just like this one. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you in the next one.